Hi, I'm Luca Nemolato, and in this lecture I guide you through the process I use to create superhero concept art for films and television. We'll start everything in Daz, we'll sketch in Photoshop, we'll sculpt in ZBrush, we'll create a cape in Marvel's Designer, and then we'll use KeyShot to render everything out. So let's get started.